Hey, what's up guys, this is Kenda with Severo Floor Refinishing. We are working on a winding river today. So guys, we're doing a screen and recoat job today. This is a new homeowner, recently purchased a home. We're going to do a screen and recoat for the hardwood floors, so stay tuned for some more results. Okay guys, so we finished screening and cleaning these floors. I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you. We have not put the finish down yet. So all we did was clean the floors, screen and clean the floors, and I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you how the floor. Okay, look at this guys. These floors are only screened, clean, and topped. Okay. So we are going to apply the finish, and this is what I am referring to in regards to you don't have to sand your floors all the time. A buff and a coat will make the floors look really, really nice, okay? So, and as you see, we knocked everything down, all the micro scratches, the floors look really, really good. So that's a buff and a coat. So we're going to apply the finish, and once that's dry, they're going to put the furniture back, and this is a one-day process, all done in one day. So if you have hardwood floors and you want to get them refinished and just as a protection and you don't want to commit to a full sanding, this is our one-day recoat system.